This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both the vinyl and the substrate so adhesion is consistent. Once cleaned with isopropyl alcohol, measure and mark your pattern precisely. This prevents wasted material. You set your cutter blade depth and force to match the thin metallic layer because too much pressure scores the foil and too little fails to cut through. Make the first cut and inspect the outline. If you are using heat transfer metallic vinyl, remember to mirror the design before cutting so the finish reads correctly after pressing. Once the design is cut, you weed the excess carefully because metallic layers can separate from the carrier if you rush. Use a fine pick and peel slowly at a low angle to preserve delicate details. Make sure to apply clear transfer tape smoothly and align using registration marks or a grid. This helps prevent crooked placement. Then, using a firm squeegee or burnisher, press the vinyl onto the transfer tape and the substrate with even strokes from center outward to eliminate bubbles and ensure full contact. You finish by applying final pressure and removing the transfer tape carefully at a 45 degrees angle so the metallic layer stays on the substrate. Once done, for heat transfer metallics, follow the recommended temperature and dwell time, and always use a protective Teflon or parchment sheet to avoid dulling the finish. Make any final trims for clean edges. If a bubble or lift appears, re-burnish and, if needed, apply brief targeted heat. One key troubleshooting tip: use a pin to release trapped air, then press flat immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.